In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to a MacBook for drawing. So let's get started. To connect your iPad to your MacBook for drawing, the easiest and most reliable method is using Apple's built-in feature called Sidecar. So first, you want to make sure your iPad and MacBook are signed in with the same Apple ID. So you can just go ahead to your settings and make sure the Apple ID on the left side or your account on MacBook and your iPad is the same one. Once you're sure with that, you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi as well that you're connected to is the same, and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on as well. Now, your MacBook should be running a recent version of Mac OS, and your iPad should have iPad OS installed. Once that's done, you want to unlock both devices and place them near each other. Now, on your MacBook, you want to go ahead and click the control center icon in the top right, like I have shown you in this image right there, the control center icon on the top right corner, and then you want to go ahead and select screen mirroring and then choose your iPad from the list. And after a few seconds, your iPad will turn into a second display or a mirrored screen for your Mac. Now, once Sidecar is connected, basically this connection method is connected, you can start drawing immediately using an Apple Pencil. Obviously, making sure your Apple Pencil is connected to your iPad using Bluetooth, right? And open any drawing or design app on your Mac that you had planned to draw on, like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Affinity Designer, and use your iPad as a drawing tablet. The Apple Pencil will work with pressure sensitivity, tilt, and gestures, as you can see right here. So the Mac is connected to the iPad, and you can use the Apple Pencil on the iPad to draw on your Mac, as easy as that. You also can have a sidebar on the tablet itself to quick access to tools like undo, redo, and modifier keys. If you prefer a wired connection for better stability or lower latency, you can use a USB-C cable to connect your iPad and your Mac. And Sidecar will work the same way. Overall, Sidecar is a simple and powerful way to run your iPad into a professional drawing tablet for your MacBook without installing any extra software. So, simple as that, you can now connect your MacBook to your iPad for drawing. And that'll be for this video, and I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.